Hello and welcome to my channel Rui Asian Recipes. Today I'll be sharing an easy steamed pork recipe. This recipe is very healthy and takes only 15 to 20 minutes to make. I have this when I want something warm, comforting, and I don't feel like doing a lot of washing up. Here I have a bunch of coriander. The coriander makes this dish very fragrant. Wash it clean. Remove the roots and cut into small chunks. Then place the minced pork into a bowl. Add salt, light soy sauce, sugar, and garlic. Abalone sauce or oyster sauce. In this video, I'm using abalone sauce. If you use oyster sauce, you may want to reduce the amount of salt added. Shaoxing wine. If you don't want to use your hands, you can use a fork or chopstick. When the seasoning is well mixed in, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix in one direction until you get a paste. Add coriander and mix well. Place the meat paste onto a plate that is suitable for steaming. Flatten it as thinly as possible. Place water in a wok and bring to a boil. Steam on high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. The steam time depends on the thickness of the meat. I'm using a 10-inch plate, so if you use a smaller plate, you will need to steam longer. Once cooked, the meat will shrink. You can also test for doneness by pressing it. It will be hard when cooked. You have to try this, it's delicious, healthy, and so easy to make. Enjoy with a warm bowl of rice. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, see you next time. Do subscribe for more easy healthy recipes.